So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with another synthetic wig review. Now this wig is from HIHOO Hair off of Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details. I've really been loving this lately. This is like my third time wearing this wig, but it is like super duper cute, okay? And it is so soft, it doesn't even feel like a synthetic wig, okay? So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I usually show you guys the construction of the wig, get into a little bit more details about the wig, and then let you guys know my final thoughts. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, I did not show you guys the construction of this wig because it is a pull-on, pull-off wig. It does have one comb. The comb is in the center, and of course the cap is breathable, so that's pretty good. And it does have an adjustable strap. Now, as you guys can see, this is super duper curly. It's like a T27, so y'all know I love the like blonde going on. And then it has bangs. I can't really fix it how I've usually been fixing it since I've worn it, but as y'all can see, y'all kind of got the feel of how it goes, okay? So let's go ahead and get into the details. Now, I did make a mistake. I didn't get this off of Amazon. The company is actually on ALIEXPRESS. So make sure you guys check the description box below for the link. But this is their curly wig with the bangs. It is synthetic, and this is like their ombre brown blonde. I'm not too sure like the length or any of that. But the cap size is 22 and a half. With 2 adjustable straps, and no shedding, no tangle, no shine, soft, strong. And I mean, that's pretty much it because it is synthetic, and like I had told you guys, it is a pull-on, pull-off wig. Now, this has definitely been my favorite wig because like I wore it last week. So I don't know when you guys are gonna see this video, but I wore it last weekend, which was like, when was that? It was the second to last week of April. So I really do like this wig. I like the color and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks all around. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the other side. So once again, it is synthetic, but it does not feel synthetic. It is super soft, nice and curly. It has this pretty, you know, spiral kind of curls. Definitely pretty. And of course it has bangs. Y'all know I love bangs, but it has like the curly type of bangs. I'm actually going to insert some pictures when I actually wore this wig so you guys can really see how it looked when I first put it on, because it is super duper 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 cute, okay? Like super duper. So I do want to thank HIHOO Hair for reaching out to me, asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it because I really do like it. Like, they have a couple other colors as well. They have like natural black. I think they have like a 1B30, all that good stuff. So make sure you guys just check out the link in case you guys are interested in purchasing this wig and you want it in a different color. They do have it in some other colors. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Make sure you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the color, the curl pattern, all that good stuff, length, all of that, because it is super cute. Okay, I like it. Okay, so again, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.